Here's a perfect trick for cleaning your car upholstery. Spills from drinks will be a thing of the past, and unpleasant odors will disappear. With it, you can refresh your car's interior quickly and for free. Take a bowl and fill it with warm water. Next, take a laundry detergent pod. Throw the pod into the water and wait for it to dissolve completely. Mix everything to create a cleaning foam. Take an ordinary small towel and soak it in the mixture. Thoroughly wring out the excess water. It's important that the towel is damp but not dripping. You'll be cleaning the car in sections, so it's best to start with the passenger seat. Lay the towel on the car upholstery. Place a pot lid on top of it, which is the key item for this trick. This is what makes the method successful. Fold the corners of the towel towards the center so that you can grasp them along with the pot lid handle. The whole setup should be tightly stretched. Clean the upholstery in circular motions, moving the lid over the entire surface. When the towel dries, soak it again to repeat the process on other parts. The upholstery will smell and look like new, and your car will be like it just came from the showroom. One person can push a broken-down car alone. All you need to know is this trick. First, roll down the driver's side window. Then put the car in neutral and release the handbrake. Take the driver's seatbelt and pull it outside the car. It should be entirely outside the car. Next, close the driver's door so it locks the belt in place. This creates a large strap. Put the strap over your shoulder. Place your right hand on the steering wheel and your left hand on the car frame. Start walking forward. The car will easily begin to roll. It's that simple. It doesn't require much strength, and the weight of the car is distributed across the belt, making it easier to pull. Your hand on the steering wheel allows you to steer the car conveniently. I'm a petite woman, and no one would believe I can push a car by myself. Share this video with your friends. You never know when they might need this trick. In winter, I always keep toothpaste in the car. It's the cheapest way to get rid of an annoying problem. Although it sounds strange, toothpaste has a brilliant application that will be useful for drivers. Winter is a challenging time for drivers. Snow removal from the car, frozen locks, and fogged-up windows. Limited visibility on the road can lead to accidents. It turns out that ordinary toothpaste can solve the annoying problem. All you need is to prepare a microfiber cloth. It's important for it to be clean and new. Squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it, then rub it onto the inner part of the windshield. Start from the front, spreading it evenly. Then, with the clean side of the cloth, begin to polish. A thin layer of paste will settle on the windshield. Its action will prevent the windows from fogging up. It's always worth having a tube in the car. Additionally, toothpaste has polishing properties. It helps to remove micro-scratches that occur on the windows during driving.
Rub half an apple on your car window. After a while, you'll see why it's worth doing. It's an old trick that many people have likely forgotten. It turns out that half an apple can be useful during rain. This sight is probably familiar to any driver. However, if our car has weak wipers, a simple half apple can enhance their performance. Just carefully spread it on the car window, centimeter by centimeter. Apples naturally contain malic acid, which creates a lotus effect on the glass. This is a scientific concept that describes the self-cleaning effect of surfaces, first discovered in plants of the Nelumbo lotus genus. A window treated this way will quickly repel water and dirt from its surface. This improves visibility on the road, especially during winter. Just wipe the window with half an apple from time to time.
Ginger in the car will save your life. Trust me. This method is a new discovery for many. The results are remarkable. Keep ginger in the glove compartment and you won't regret it. It's important to always have it in the car. Rub a piece of ginger on the car window. After a while, you'll see why it's worth doing. This trick is something that most people probably don't know about yet. It turns out that an inconspicuous piece of ginger can be useful during rain. Such a sight is certainly familiar to any driver. However, if our car has weak wipers, their work can be improved by a simple piece of ginger. Just carefully rub the car window with it. inch by inch. Ginger contains naturally occurring substances whose properties create a lotus effect on the glass. This is a scientific concept that describes the self-cleaning effect of surfaces. Discovered for the first time in plants of the lotus genus Nelumbo. A window treated with ginger will quickly repel water and dirt from its surface. This improves visibility on the road during rain. Your journey will be much safer, and challenging conditions won't scare you. Just wipe the window with a piece of ginger from time to time, so always have it in the car. Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them. Before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks or streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual. Pour half a liter of regular water into a container. Add half a cup of vinegar. Pour in a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And finally, add several drops of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use fabric softener or winter windshield washer fluid. These products contain glycerin. Windows washed with this solution are so clean that even a fly won't land on them. And that's literal. The scent of vinegar and lemon effectively repels insects. Flies, fruit flies, and even mosquitoes will not come near.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives.